Hey guys, look what the mailman brought me today. It's the Solo Stove Ranger Ultra Portable Fire Pit, and we're going to do an unboxing video for you right back after the break. Okay, that was the break. So I've got a knife and I'm going to open the box because you've never seen anybody open a box before. Here we go. Careful with a sharp knife, you don't want to chop one of your pinkies off. There we go, we got it open. Let's have a look. Ooh, instructions. And we've got polystyrene. And we've got the top. And we've got the base with instructions and a plastic bag. Go, put the base down. Solo Stove. Then we've got a bag to keep it in. And then we've got the main event, the Solo Stove. Here we go. So there it is. Fairly heavy, and it says Solo Stove, and there's lots of holes for air, and then there's inside there's holes for air and holes around there. So move that, stand that on there, perfect. And then we put the lid on like that, and then we're going to need a whole load of chunks of wood from the trunk of your car like this. And we put the wood in the stove, and then later on we're going to light it, and we're going to sit here in the backyard and we're going to get nice and hot, sit around talking campfire stories. That's it. That's the unboxing video. It was in the box. Now it's not in the box, it's all unboxed. Got to read the instructions, how to use the stand, how to use the fire pit, and that's it. Can't be any harder than that. 7 steps. Off we go. Hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll put some footage on later of it burning, and that's it. See you later.